and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I will be trying to destroy this bird nest with 8 items. So let me show off this bird nest. And there's no bird eggs inside, so we can use it. Okay, so I'm gonna show off the 8 items that we can use to destroy this thing. Okay, so the first one is this rock. The second one is a part of a flag, like a flag, I don't know. And this thing right here, I don't know what it is. And we have a part of a rock. Like, yeah, look, like it's dirt, but it's dry. Here we have a leaf that we're gonna try to use. A shell, a stick, and this can. Okay. So I'm gonna go from which one to destroy it. Oh, sorry, and I didn't mention this ball too. Okay, now I'm gonna get started with the most harmless one, which is this one right here. This one will. Okay, I'm gonna try this one to see if it does any damage. Oh! It's not really doing anything, just taking off some of it. Okay, and I only have 3 times to break it. 1, 2, 3, and that didn't work. So, okay, next we have this leaf. Where we're gonna try it with the leaf. But before we do that, make sure you like and subscribe to the video. You don't have to do it, but I think you should. Okay, anyways, let's try the leaf. It's a little strong. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that we did with that with the leaf, I'm gonna try this third thing. Okay, here's the damage. 1, 2, 3. It's breaking a little bit, but not that much. Okay, next we have the shell. Let's see what the shell does. It's breaking some of it apart. Oh, might actually break it. But the birds build them so tight that it's so impossible to break them. Yeah, not breaking. Okay, now I'm gonna try this flag. Okay, 1, okay, I'm not counting. There can be a limit if I want to. Okay. It's breaking apart. Okay, now I'm gonna try it with this stick. Oh my god, a part of it's breaking off. I can see it breaking off. But the whole thing's not breaking off. Oh my god, look at this thing. It's going so fast. Whoa, look, it's falling off like that. Okay, and this is a lot. Okay, anyways. Next we have this can of sorts. I don't know. Let me try this. Oh, it's not actually working. Oh! It's breaking apart, I think. Oh! Oh! We broke a part of it. Okay, now I'm gonna try the big one. Oh! We broke another part. Okay. Back to breaking. Okay, and we have our final item. Do you want to know what that is? The rock. This is heavy, by the way. Okay, are you ready? And this might cause a lot of damage. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh no. Oh, oh, a part might actually break off because of this. Trying to break it. Oh, with the rock fell down. Okay, okay. That one's too hard. What about the small parts first? One, okay. Oh, we're actually breaking the small parts. Oh, this piece is getting smaller. Oh. Okay, we broke that entire piece apart. Okay, this, it's gonna break. I think it's gonna break. Oh, that whole thing. Oh, no, oh, no. Okay. Okay, anyways. We have this last piece that we need to break off. Okay, I'm trying to break this thing off. Oh, it's breaking apart. Yes, yes. Okay, we just have this whole piece left. Okay. We're gonna break it, we're gonna break it, we're gonna break it, we're gonna break it. Okay. Oh my god. There's a lot of this right here. Hold on, let me see this. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a lot. Okay, anyways, now. Oh, how do I keep forgetting? We forgot the ball. Okay, now let me try this. Oh. Okay. Do you guys want to see this whole pile of this thing? Because this is actually crazy. Okay, anyways. Ugh. Okay, anyways, I forgot to mention at the start of the video, I'm sorry for not posting. And I'm sorry that I didn't record the gaming video since I thought this was much cooler since I just thought of the idea today. And you guys might want to see all of this. Look at all of this. Look at, oh, you guys can't see that, okay. Okay, well, there's a lot here. Okay, there is a lot, and I'm sorry I didn't mention it at the video, but if you guys didn't see the post, I did post on an update. And I forgot what the post said. Okay, and this is actually crazy since I broke that whole thing. I broke it all. Okay. Well, I hope you guys see this soon, and make sure you subscribe and like. Bye!